Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate sauce for Eclairs full guide. Start by measuring 200 g chocolate, 120 ml cream, and 30 g butter precisely. Warm the cream gently until steaming but not boiling. Chop chocolate finely so it melts quickly and evenly. Prepare a heat-proof bowl and a whisk, and have a spatula ready for smooth mixing and scraping. Warm the cream slowly over low heat to avoid scorching, and pull it off just when it steams. Pour the hot cream over chopped chocolate and allow 1 minute for the heat to soften the chocolate. Stir from the center outward with a gentle whisk until the mixture becomes glossy and smooth. Add the butter last to enrich texture and stir until fully incorporated for a silky, pourable sauce. If the sauce seems too thick, stir in a tablespoon of warm cream at a time until you reach the desired pourable consistency. For a thicker filling, chill the sauce briefly and whisk it before piping to avoid air pockets. If it firms too much, warm it gently over a double boiler while stirring constantly until smooth. Taste and adjust with a pinch of salt or a dash of vanilla if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.